I've had wonderful and humbling opportunities to illustrate for Marvel Comics and DC Comics books such as Mighty Avengers, X-Men, Daredevil, Teen Titans, and many others. There's a difference between a superhero and a hero. Superheroes are fantasy, heroes are real, and they are among us. But they're not defined by their superpowers. It's their deeds that make them extraordinary.
Doc Boston served his country, and after the war, he returned to serve his community. He may be the first African American to start both a hospital and an ambulance corps in the United States.
In the early 1930s, a hurricane caused a devastating flood in the town of Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. Doc Boston was there with his ambulance corps leading a team that saved lives.
The hospital and ambulance corps founded by Dr. Boston is still in operation today. There are over 700 employees, 300 physicians, and over 2 million people have benefited.
Action is character. What we do is who we are. Our new comic book shows a person in action, living their philosophy that helping people is the true reward. Doc Boston Adventures shows that all of us can become heroes.